Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia G42 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer, up to you. And then let's find the the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Now let's tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, this pencil icon, and tap on add picture. Right now you can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery and I will pick this option. Then let's find the photo and tap on it. And here in this step we can change the position of the photo. We can zoom it in or out. Just place it in this highlighted square because it is responsible for what we will see after saving the whole contact. So position it like you want to. You can rotate the picture, up to you, and then simply tap on save copy. As you can see, the photo will immediately appear on the circle. So let's tap on save if you are ready. And this is how our contact will look like after saving the photo. Of course, you will be able to see it on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.